Hello guys, this is George Bunjet with Murray State University, and as I promised in the previous video, I would show in this one how we can download Python and also the uh, PySerial module that works with Python to communicate with the Arduino board that we have here. Why should we care about Python? Well, first of all, Arduino is very useful, but not very good for data processing afterwards, post-processing, and it's useful just to transmit, record, provide the analog signals to the computer, but that's it. Python, on the other hand, it's a high-level programming English-like, user-friendly. We can program with it many things. It has a lot of applications, including in the engineering fields, and very, very good once you learn how to use it. At least for current, I don't know how long it will last, but we'll see. In order to download Python, please open your browser and go to, Python download. You can type it to Google for it. And the first one, you can see that it appears download Python at python.org. And we also, of course, it depends what are you can click here, but if you are running Windows like me, then you can go right here in Windows, and you can see there are two types, two flavors. Python comes in this way, and the Python number 2 last to 7 basically was the older version of Python, and is not maintained, and currently the Python number 3.3.8, it's very good currently, so that's what we recommend it, and this is the future of Python as it for now, not the other one. So I recommend to go here, and today we can see that already I have on my computer 3.8, but they already yesterday, for example, put another version of Python 3.7.9, and there are different ways that we can have. We have 64-bit and we also have 32-bit. So because we want to communicate with the Arduino board, and the Arduino board is very useful for 32-bit, most of the libraries are responding in Arduino board with 32-bit, so that's the one that I'll encourage you to download. Not necessarily the zip file, you can go that, but it's easy to go and download this one. This is where we go. And I already downloaded the previous version, and as you can see, that's why it tells me one there, and it's good to know where you put it. If it goes in downloads, it's good to know what it is anyway, so because they will have to go there and install. So I generally put it into a folder that I called kits, and this is where I have Python on it, and you guys can see that I already put it there, so you can save it, and once it's saved, we go there in that folder. Say in this situation, I should go in my documents and under the kits, Python, where you put it. I was today hoping to recommend you this one, but see, already is the other one. So let's start it and see if it works. It's just one day, so young. So in this case, we double click it, and we already see that we have two sorts of installation. This one, it's putting here in users, and it's only for me in this case, but it's kind of a long string for me, so I prefer to go in this case with the customized installation, so I know where I put it and I recommend the part. So that's where in this case I'll do recommend to do the customized, because it's easier for me at least. So you can see we have this already checked. Pip is very useful, and we can click next here, and we can say install for all users, and then debugging symbols if we want, and this is for Visual Studio 2015 if you want. I don't want for that, and you guys can see that because I do the customized version, it kind of tells me that it puts into this one. So I can probably put here right in the root folder. So that's my preference, of course, and this is I'm gonna put, instead of 379, I'm gonna put 39, just so we know it's that the one. So then we say install, and I agree with that. It's going quickly, and it's going to install it, and then we will see how we can install for Python 3.9, 3.7.9. We can install the PySerial, and that's a very useful command that it communicates with the Arduino board. So and it takes a little bit as it does it to install. Alright, almost there. We can see that although initially didn't say anything that about 32-bit, now we can see that it's 32-bit. And we can see that it's putting there the standard library that comes with this installation. All right. Okay, so that's the one, and we say close. And now if we go in the on the PC, on the root one, we can see that it's already the folder that we put there. And we want, this is in the, if we go in the scripts, basically it's the one that will allow us to, like we said, pip is a command in this case, as we will see in the command window, that will allow us to install other modules and library in the future as you need them. So we want to open a command window in this. So the way it is, we do it, we go here, and I'm gonna say command, and that's the one. So I want to change right now. This is where it is. I'm the user, so I want to change and go there. So I say change directory, and we say C. We go right in that folder when we say Python 39, and then we go back here in scripts, and that's we are in that folder right now. So now we say pip3 install PySerial, and now it's gonna go online and check for it, gather all that it is there, and it's installed already. We can see it did it quickly, so that's very good. So hope this video helped you to install this, and next video I'll show how you can write the first code that will communicate and take information from the microcontroller that's on the Arduino board. Thank you.